we often talk about the fact that we live close together, and it's very easy for us to step on one another's toes. So oftentimes, it's very easy for conflict to arise.
I've been part of the mediation guild for quite a while. In fact, I used to chuckle because I learned after we'd been here for a little while, and maybe when I became part of the mediation guild, that we had a mediation guild when we were first established, and they couldn't get along with each other, and it fell apart. I think it's very urgent in the community for us to be willing to address when there's dissonance between us, whether it's two people or whether it's groups of people.
And are there any good first steps for people if they find themselves in a conflict situation?
I think one of the roles of like a mediation guild is being aware if there's conflict growing in the community, and then to help intervene by inviting the persons who are in conflict. Would you like some support? Would you like some help?
We haven't always been able to get, let's say, both people on both sides of the conflict to engage.
That's true.
But in spite of that, when we've even had one person who's been willing to talk to us, that can be a big help for that one individual.
That's true.
And even that can spill over into the entire community.
Yeah, kind invitations often do work.
Mm-hmm.
If you felt supported, would you be willing to meet and talk about this disagreement? And often people are willing.
Sometimes because people are unwilling to engage in conflict and discussions about conflict, we make provisions for them, if they're interested, to bring a support person with them to a meeting.
I think it's really important that there's a consciousness in our community about the fact that dissonance can be dealt with in a positive, growing way, because it's happened many times. And maintaining that consciousness is important.